I'm Caroline Bateman, and this is a quick video to show how to use EasyReader to access RNIB Bookshare books on an iPad. Here I'm in RNIB Bookshare, and I'm going to look for my reading lists. And this is the reading list the student has been assigned to. And this is the book that I need to read as a student. Now at the moment it's on my reading list, but it's not on my iPad. So I click it and I say download. Now I've downloaded it, I can open it and I can go to the page that I want to go to. I can use my finger to go through the book, make it smaller. I can hit the search button to put in what I'm looking for to go straight to that page. So now I go to where I want it to read and press this button.
The Birling family and Gerald Croft are celebrating Sheila's engagement.
If I click the speaker, I see the different audio settings. And I can change voice settings, and I can change the speed or the voice.
Advances in science, new inventions and the relationship between bosses and workers. He says they
That completes my quick overview of EasyReader on the iPad to access RNIB Bookshare. RNIB Bookshare and EasyReader for the iPad are all completely free.